Okay, so this is the displacement time graph. What we can tell from displacement time graph is the period. So this is the period here, right? So we know that period is t3 minus t1. This is the displacement position graph. And what this graph tells us is the wavelength, which is this amount here. So the wavelength we now know is x3 minus x1. The velocity of this wave can be calculated using f times lambda. So frequency would simply be 1 over t. So we have divided by t3 minus t1. And the wavelength is x3 minus x1. So it's basically the wavelength divided by the period. You won't find this in any of the options, but don't panic, huh? So instead of doing one full wavelength divided by one full period, we can always do half a wavelength, which is x3 minus x2, divided by half a period, which can be written as t3 minus of course we can always write it as t2 minus t1. So that's the answer. Easy.